Oh. Oh, may didilit mabulig. Bag-o. Sir Reggie. Okay la, dito tayo ko kan ha. Sir Reggie good man. Dako good man dito sa may bulig sa Panday la nga daan. Ayos ka sir, ayos ka. Tama ka sir, tama ka.
Salamat sir sa nimo mo kay nakasing-kasing.
Ay ako lop. Din kam lay baro ma'am.
Nag-interview ako sa last week, nag-interview ako ngayon.
Nag-interview ka din ka ma'am nakuan.
Taga-simbahan kami.
Na, kay Tabernacle, wow, mga born again Christian. Okay, adi sira.
Hello.
Yeah, visiting here. Visiting Tatay Serapio. Here's Tatay Serapio.
Ay, tatay.
He is our recipient.
Oo.
Tatay Serapio.
Saan yung mga bataan?
Hey, take picture. So we can go on. Bali, what will you bringing him,
Take one.
sir? What will you bringing him?
We have food.
Ala yan ma.
Uh,
What is that?
Food items.
Food items for the kids and the family. Okay. So, yan. Hello, sir. How are you?
hello. Your English is good.
Yeah, just a little bit, but I don't speak actually really good English.
No, it sounds good.
Okay, thank you for that, sir.
And I'm sorry I don't speak.
Why?
I'm sorry I don't speak Cebuano or Tagalog.
It's okay, sir. Sure, welcome here. Help is welcome here.
I wish I could speak your language, but I can't.
We try to understand your language also, sir.
So they are from Faith Tabernacle. Ayan. Okay. Sir, I'm not a blogger, but I just document things, okay? Because we were the one who raised with the BHW here, and our friend here, he's from the gate there. Before you enter here, her house is just near the highway route. So we were the one calling for help for tatay, and then many responded.
Ikaw ang
Okay. Diri po ang nag-post po actually is BHW, and then
nakaupod na mo.
nakita namon ginrekuan ko din ocular visit namon sa nakon usa nga friend. Siya sad ko nag-call out kami. Oo. BHW.
BHW.
Si Erlinda, si Ma'am Erlinda.
Siya
Oo.
talaga nag-concern.
So sugad sini na po ang balay ni tatay.